Good day everyone and mabruhay. By the way, my name is Randy Espeña. I am one of the ordinary participants of MM Global from San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. By the way, last November 28, 2015, I joined in the mining program of MM Global in the amount of 16,000 pesos. And by December 5, 2015, I get help in the amount of 26,200. And my Get Help money includes my referral bonus and my mining bonus. And I successfully received my Get Help money with my blockchain account. Here is the amount of my Get Help money, and this is all the transaction that I received. And also, I want to thank all the participants who give assistance with me. Thank you to Elena, Rubes, Bitcoin, and Pats. Thank you all guys for sending all your help with my Get Help money. And I also want to thank Mr. Sergio Malbrody for sharing us the good ideology of MM Global. And long live MM Global. Together we can change the world. This is really the best. Thank you.